What's up everyone and welcome to the club. In today's video I'll show you how to draw and color Little Split from Fortnite OG. Let's begin today's lesson in the center page and draw two large circles for the eyes. Now let's start with the one on the left. We're going to start from the very top, come all the way down towards the bottom of the eye, and then back up towards the top. Now I want to leave a gap in between the eyes and draw the same size circle on the right. So start by lining up the top of that circle, come down towards the same height, and then pull that back up towards the top. On the top left side of each eye, we're going to draw a small circle for a highlight, going all the way around. And we'll just line that up on the right side. And then on the bottom right, we draw a smaller circle. In between the eyes, we're going to step down, draw a straight line going across the mouth. Go back to the left side, curve the mouth coming down, and then up. Let's add 3 teeth along the top. Starting from the left, curve this down and up. Add 2 more going over towards the right. And then along the bottom, we're going to add a curve for the tongue, going up and then down. Let's fill the center of the mouth in black, going around the teeth and the tongue. Now directly above each eye, I'm going to add in the eyebrows. Starting on the left, bend this up and in. Let's line this up over on the right, going out and then down. Let's round up the ends of the eyebrow, just pulling these back up and in. And we'll close off the top with another curve. Now we move out to the side and work our way up towards the top of the head. Let's line up the mouth over on the left side. We're going to bend this in, straighten this out, and go up. Let's line this up over on the right side. We're going to go around the eye, just taper this up, and then in towards the top. Now I'm going to layer that whipped cream on top of the head. Let's start from the right side of the head. We're going to come down, and bend that up, step down and add another curve, coming down and then up. Let's tuck this up and in underneath. Now on the left side, we're going to step down and draw the curl. We're going to go all the way around, go up, and then in. From the top, just going to bend this down and then across, step back, going up, come around the side, and just tuck this in towards the side of the head. Let's place the cherry in behind the cream. Starting from the left, go up, bend that down, step back, curve the right side going around and then down. Now I'm going to place the stem in between. Just bend this out towards the right, flatten this off, just taper that back down towards the cherry. Let's drip some chocolate along the top. We're going to start on the left side, come down and then up. Just going to draw this wave going all the way across. Just pull that up toward the top. Let's add some coming down the right side. Coming down, up, down, and then up towards the side. Let's add some drips along the bottom. Coming down and up like an oval. Add a couple more spots. Now we want to wrap that collar around the head. From the left side, we're going to step up, bend this around, come down, and then in. Let's line this up on the right. Coming around, down, and then bend that in. Now it's going to layer this coming down towards the bottom. On the left, step out, come down, and then in. Step out, and down and in. Let's do that one more time. Coming down, and then in. Let's take that and flip it over on the right. Now from the bottom, it's going to work our way up and then out towards the base of the head. Let's start back on the left. Going to swirl this around, bend that out, step back, add another curve coming up and then out. Let's do that one more time. We're going to go up and just go past the edge of the head. Let's do the same thing on the right. Coming around and then out. And a second curve. And then the last one going across the edge of the head. Now in between, we're going to add a curve, the top edge of the pant, going across, step down, and draw that again. Let's add some texture across that band. draw these vertical lines starting from the left, going all the way across. Now I'm going to fill the inside of the body with some sprinkles. Let's start on the top left. We're going to draw an oval. Just going to stretch this out. Now I'm just going to rotate these in various directions. We'll tuck some in behind the coat. And then just working our way across towards the right. Now we're going to drip some chocolate coming down the shoulders. Let's start on the left. Again, drawing this wave, going across, add a long drip, and just tuck that in, and add some on the right side. Let's add a few little splashes. Now from the bottom, we're going to step up. Just going to curve this out and then up towards the side. Bend this in and then up underneath the collar. Let's add a circle underneath the collar, going all the way around and then up, and we'll just trace that along the inside. Now I'm going to continue working down towards the feet. In the center, we'll step down, add a curve, going up and then down. Let's leave a gap in the center, go to the left side, bend the leg, going out and then down, go to the right and do the same thing. Let's add a bump along the inside of the leg, with a half circle. Now you want to continue this curve coming down towards the heels. Let's round out the bottom of the feet, starting on the left side, then it's down and then up. And we'll go back to the left side and draw the top of the foot with a half circle, going up. I'm going to bend this down, aiming towards the heel. Let's add a thick sole along the bottom of the feet. We're just going to follow that same curve going across. Let's add that thick foamy cuff around the ankle. We're going to start on top of the foot. We're going to bend this up, come down, bend this up, and then down towards the bottom of this curve. Let's do the same thing on the right. Going up and then down. Try that one more time. Now inside, we're going to draw a small circle. And then we'll wrap that foam around the cuff. Let's start from this point. We're going to go up and then down. Add another curve. We're going to draw a smaller one on the top. I just want to wrap this around the outside. Going out and just tuck that in. Now I'm going to go back up underneath the coat and draw the outside of the leg. Let's start on the left. Then this out and then down in behind the cuff. Let's add some more sprinkles across the legs. We're going to start from the left side, again adding these ovals, and we'll just rotate these, going across towards the right. Now let's move back up to the top and draw on the arms. We're going to start with the arm on the left stretched out towards the side. So start underneath the collar, then the arm coming down, and then out towards the wrist. And let's point the thumb going straight up. We go up, round out the thumb, and then bend that back down and in. Now I want to curl 3 fingers along the outside. Starting from the base of the thumb, let's draw an oval, going around, and then back up. And we'll tuck 2 more ovals underneath. Starting from the outside, and just tuck that up underneath on the inside. Now we're going to go back to the base of the thumb, curl the palm, coming around, down, and then up underneath that bottom finger. Let's separate the thumb with a curve. Now from the inside of the palm, curve the arm coming in and then up towards the body, and we'll add a thick cuff along the inside. Now let's move over and draw in the right arm. We'll start by lining up the bottom of the arm on the inside, curve this out and then down, draw a half circle for the thumb, bend this up and then in towards the wrist. Let's wrap 3 fingers along the bottom. Start from the thumb, come down and then up, step down, go out and up, and then the 3rd finger, we're going to go all the way around in towards the arm, and then up underneath the collar. Let's separate each of the fingers along the top with a curve. Let's separate the wrist with another curve going out and up. Step up and draw that again. Let's add a few sprinkles along the top of each arm. Now that we're finished drawing this in, it's time to add some color. So our friends over at Ohuhu sent us this magnificent set of 320 colored markers. So we're going to use a lot of these to color in our drawing. I'm going to start off by using the super light primrose color to fill in the body and the arms. Now each marker also comes with this fine point brush tip to get to those hard to reach areas. Now the beauty of these markers is that they're completely blendable. So I'm going to switch to a slightly darker yellow to get some shading along the side. So we use the brush tip, just using these brush strokes to add that shade. You can see how nicely they blend in. Also adding a shadow just underneath that cream on the top of the head and just feathering that out. Let's add a little bit of shadow along the inside of the collar and also along the bottom of the arms. Now just moving to a chocolate brown to fill in the top, going around the cream. Now I'm going to use that same color for the inside of the eyes, going around those highlights. Now I want to leave the cream areas white, but we're going to add a shadow across the bottom. So I have this deep cream color. We're going to start along the bottom left. We're just going to pull this up and then out using the brush tip. So we can just feather that shadow going up towards the top. And then we'll do the same thing across the bottom. Now with the chair, I'm going to start with this rose pink along the top to create a highlight. And then we'll use a darker red to fill in the rest. Just feathering that in towards the highlight. Now with the pants, I just want to use the light teal to add a highlight along the outside. And then we'll use a darker color along the inside and just blend that out. I'm using the brush end of the lighter color to blend this in. We can use a darker color to add some shadow along the inside. Now let's add some lines inside the body using the brush tip, and always be sure to sign our artwork. And that's pretty much it. That's how we draw and color Little Split from Fortnite OG. Now if you want to get your hands on this beautiful set of Ohuhu markers, we have an exciting surprise flash deal lined up just for you. I'll leave all the links in the description below, and if you want to take advantage of this special deal, you'll have to hurry because the offer ends soon. I want to thank you for joining me today, and I'll see you in the next one.